I've been thinking about getting a manual, either for the channel or just have one for a video, because I know a lot of y'all probably would want to see that. I know y'all don't want to just see me clicking fucking paddle shifters all day. So that's just been something I've been thinking about doing lately. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep going over here clicking my little paddle shifters. I hate coming over here because you can't really see when you're pulling out, because it's like trees right here, and then like all these cars be coming. I just came back out here to this spot that I came to last year, and I actually took a picture right over here. It was like in this spot right here. I don't think it was exactly in this spot, but somewhere on this side, because I'm right in like a, I guess a cul-de-sac. I guess they were supposed to be building houses over here, and they probably didn't, but I don't know. I'm trying to get a couple more pictures and try to like do what I did last time, because last time I came here, the photo I posted on Instagram, I'm gonna drop it right here so y'all can see it. That picture actually got like over 600 likes, so I'm gonna try to redo that with this wheel setup. The car does look a little bit different now, but the only thing is I don't have my Canon camera, so I'm going to use my phone, and you know, we're gonna see where it go from right there. But look at her, she looking good right here. Take a walk around. We got a little leaf right there. Get that out. Look at that black roof. This thing just looks so much more aggressive. It's kind of like a long path through this way to get in here, so I might actually just park the car in the middle of that path and try to get some pictures over there as well. So last time I got the photo probably like right at this angle. I'm gonna just get in the car and match it up. I mean, I'm not trying to get it like exact, because I know I don't know exactly how I had it, but yeah, you know what I'm saying, this should be close enough. All right, so I got the pictures. I actually got a couple, well, a few pictures, more than what I actually wanted. I don't know if I'm gonna post them to Instagram first, or if you're gonna see the video first. Probably gonna see the video before I post them on Instagram. But the last time I took a picture over there, I think it was just one photo on Instagram. This one I probably just put like 3 of them on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what they look like. It's 7:15 in the morning. Yesterday I told myself, I was like, all right, I'm gonna get up early enough to go to the gas station right before I go to work. And it's one of the moments where I'm pushing it, because now I'm already running late and I need gas. I mean, I might be able to make it to work, but I'll be like running on fumes. It's not any Shell gas stations around where I work at. That's the only gas I put in my car, is Shell or BP. I'm surprised this fucking fuel pump ain't go out as many times I ran this bitch to damn near empty. Not really, it don't really be empty. The fucking gas light just pop on, but it still be like what, 55 miles. So I mean, that ain't empty. It ain't the best. It ain't something you should be doing. That ain't good to do. Oh, look at this. That shit is sweet. I like them little, what are they, GT63s or some shit like that. All right, the pumps ain't full. That's a bet. That's a bet. Damn, I pull up in the one with the fucking water on me, man. So I put 20 in the tank. I got half a tank. That's usually what I get, you know what I'm saying, for weight saving purposes. So we good for the day. Shit, matter of fact, we good for like the next couple of days. Man, he just sneezed loud as shit over there. like 35 minutes that way, so it might have not rained over here, but it do kind of look a little wet. We got a cord right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna get over and see see if he trying to get some smoke. There you go, right here. He probably not. That joint clean though. Hey, shout out to you, my boy. If you watch this video.